Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you have a Ford Edge or Lincoln MKX, guys, and your rear door, one of the rear door, rear left or rear right door does not open from outside, guys, stay with us and we'll explain what can cause that now. We will explain all the reasons that can be causing your door not to open from the outside, guys. Quick introduction: every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 videos, guys, and that's the case with that Ford Edge here. Why we guys do all that? Because simply our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below, guys, and you will see where you can find all that. Now, this is, guys, the assembly for the rear door on 2009 Ford Edge, guys. We'll demonstrate on the rear left, rear right will be the same way. This is the whole assembly, guys, right here. So we will take it there and I'll explain what is causing that now and what to look for. If you guys want to get up to here, not very complicated, just search for a video on our channel that's called rear door lock actuator removal and replacement. You get to that part and you'll get the idea, guys. Now you can see this is the exterior door handle mechanism, guys. This is what opens your door. However, guys, this is not what actually opens the door. The door lock actuator opens the door, and when you pull that handle, check it out now, pull the handle, guys, it moves that mechanism. Let's close it. You can see the door handle right here pulls that mechanism. Now, common problem is the exterior door handle, that ear, that arm will actually break, and as a result it will not activate the mechanism, guys. Another thing that could happen is that mechanism here, it's plastic, it could break as well, guys, and when you pull the door handle it will not activate it. Now, another common thing, you can see where that rod moves the door lock actuator right here. That rod can come loose. That cap, you can actually, guys, open that cap here, and when you open it, that rod will be just loose and it will not move the door lock actuator. That's a very common reason, especially if somebody, guys, somebody worked on the door and as a result didn't install it correctly. Sometimes it can come off of here as well. That one will be the same scenario, and it will happen something like that. It will be disconnected. You will pull the door handle, but you don't pull, guys, the door lock actuator, you can see, because it's not attached. So make sure that this rod is attached to the door lock actuator. If all that checks out now, guys, what else it could be? You have to remove it. What we can do, we can actually go ahead and lock it, guys, manually. Pull the handle, and if you see everything moving but the door lock actuator not opening, what will happen? Most likely, guys, you have a bad door lock actuator, so you need to, guys, go ahead and replace yours. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.